guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you illegal Lego building techniques.
FBI, open up!
Okay guys, so I'm also going to be giving this away because you guys got me to 50 subscribers. So I'm so glad. And I'm going to be giving away a lot more than last time. Last time I gave away a mini semi-truck. This time I'm giving away like all this Lego right here. See all that? I'm giving that away, and I'll stay tuned because the details about this will be at the end of the video. So guys, the definition of an illegal Lego building technique is if a piece is stressed or it's like not connected on all the way, that's an illegal building technique. And I would recommend not doing any of these, mostly because when I tried one earlier, it'll be up here in the corner, but this is how my pieces turned out. This is a mini slope. It broke in half, and that's why I'm not showing it in the video because it'll probably break more. But it's up here. You can see it right there. It's a bad one, and I wouldn't recommend it. So guys, now we'll take a closer look at every single one of these and how to build every one. So guys, for the first one, if you're wondering what this is, just so you know, the title, it's actually not an illegal building technique. But to have a plate on it, it is an illegal building technique. It's actually really weird, but that's how it works. And to prove that, in the set right here, the flag right here, it's a tile on the plate right here. And there's like no sets with like this way on it. And this is from the NASA set. I forgot what it's called, but yeah. So the next one we're going to be taking a look at is the 2x3s connected on top of each other. How you do this is you get two 1x2 tiles, and you put them in here like this. It's pretty hard to do though, because if you just like got new sets only and you don't have any old ones, you have to use old bricks that have a thicker outline on them. If you can see that at all, the old bricks had a thicker, and that makes it so the 1x2s can go in them. And if you put it in the newer ones, they'll just like be loose and they'll just fall out. So just saying that, but just keep in mind, I would not recommend any of these for you. It's just for video's sake, so that you won't do them on your Lego builds. So guys, this one is just like 4 1x4 tiles squeezed in between some 1x4s with sides on them. I don't really know what to explain. It's actually 4 fourth ones right here. Yeah, I just used random colors. You can use whatever you want. I'm not sure what you'd use this for, but yeah, this is this one. And I'll show you guys how to make all of these ones at the end, like closer to the end of the video after I show you all these ones. So guys, this one right here kind of looks like a lantern if you look at it. And if you hold it up to the light, it glows. It's kind of cool. I just use these colored pieces for it, so it looks like that. But it's just a 2x2 with 4 of these on it. Pretty simple. Remember, I'll show you how to build all these in just a second. So yeah, that's this one. I like it. Looks really cool. I just wouldn't use it on anything because it's a Lego building technique. So guys, this one right here is like a over 2x2 brick that's like backwards. It's very weird. The stand on it is not an illegal building technique. So, in the middle, it's like half of one of these, well, 2 of them. It's like this one of these split in half, and it's very confusing, but I'll show you later how to build it. So, yeah, let's move on to the best and most useful one. No, just the best. So, guys, the next one actually looks really cool, but in order to make it, you need studs that have leaves on, like the flower studs that have 4 on them, not like the ones that have like 8 on them. It has to have 4, and you stick it like in between the 2x2s that are like go underneath stuff. It's really weird how you make it, but it actually looks really cool. It's just like a ball. So now I'll show you how to make every single one of these. So let's move on. So guys, this is a really simple one right here. This one where the 4 tiles are in between these bricks. I can't remember their name. So you put these on the 2x4 brick right there on both sides. Just like that, so it's like this, and you pretty much know what to do there. Just make sure they're all facing the same way, or I guess you could make a pattern if you wanted. And yeah, this one's pretty simple. I bet you can understand it. And then to flatten it out, you can just press it against the table, and there you go, your weird looking thing. So guys, this one right here, you get 2 2x2 tiles and 4 1x2 tiles, preferably the same color, because that'd be a lot better. For the lantern or whatever use you're using it for. So first of all, this thing is pretty hard to put together. Like, it just falls apart multiple times. So if it falls apart for me, it'll probably fall apart for you. And so this thing's like really, it looks pretty good, but I'm not using it because it's an illegal building technique. And if you saw what he did there, oh yeah, finally worked. Okay, so if you saw what he did there, you just put them all around the circle in the middle, right there, and just all 4. Sometimes, most of the time, they'll fall off. And then you stick this one on top, and you have to kind of squeeze them in. Then you press it together, and this one could break a piece, I'm not really sure, but then you got your lantern piece. So guys, this one's pretty simple to make. I mean, simple pieces, but it's very hard to make. So you just need 2 of these and 6 of these. So when you put these on, make sure they go on the inside, not the outside, like the skinny part. See how it goes on the outside if you do it this way of the brick? You want it to go on the inside, like this, like that. You want it to go that way. On both of these, you put it that way. Sometimes it's a little confusing. Put it that way. Okay. On both of them, then you put them together like this. You see how this works? Put them together like that. In the top view. Then you put one of these sideways like this on it. And it'll hold them together. Like this. You see that? All put together. Just this might be a little confusing. You might have to watch it over. Then you put them on all sides. It's pretty easy from here. Put them on all sides. Put it in the middle. And you have your weird underneath side of a plate cube. So guys, the giveaway will end 2 weeks from now, which would be November 25th, 2019. So just to note that. So to enter, you need to subscribe with notifications and comment "I subscribe," and you'll be entered into a marble race, and whoever wins the marble race will get this. So I'll send it out to you, and and yeah, you really want this, right? It's random Lego, and so I'll ship it out to you. And I guess you could build some illegal Lego building techniques with it. But as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.